Hello, my name's Daniel from Sussex Campervans. You know, everybody wants a campervan these days, don't they? Especially since the pandemic, I think everyone's eyes have been opened to what fun and relaxation can be had in a campervan. How great it would be as an investment for you and for your family to enjoy your leisure time much better. Some people, if it's their first campervan, they're a little bit nervous about what that huge investment, as it seems to them, means. Are they really going to enjoy it? Are they going to get the value they hope out of campervan ownership? Well, what we've done is we've thought about this and we've come up with an absolutely killer offer to help you. Come and choose anything from the Sussex Campervans range, buy it, drive it away, enjoy it, and we'll take all the risk. The new Sussex Campervans No Quibble money back warranty. You've got 30 days to try it out for yourself. If during that time you feel that it's just not for you, it's not what you hoped, you don't think the investment's a wise one for you and for your family, bring it back in the condition you took it. We will give you back your money. I can't say fairer than that. We're taking all the risk so you can have all the benefit. We will charge you for the time you would have had it on hire if it had been a hire vehicle, and that's just to avoid abuse. This is a risk reverser so that you can enjoy all the benefits of campervan ownership straight away this month, today, without the concern and the risk that just might stop you from taking the plunge. Click the button below this video. Let's have a Zoom discovery call together. Just click the link. You can see our live calendar, pick a day and a time that's good for you, pop in your details, and we'll get some quality time together to discuss what you're looking for in a campervan. Get in touch with us and we would love to explain to you how the Sussex Campervans No Quibble money back warranty can make campervan ownership a reality for you this very month. Speak to you soon.